Shoot a video of you, Iceman. I'm going to shoot a video of the bars on this RCI, and you're going to light them up, okay?
Am I lighting all of them up? Am I lighting all of them up there, 612?
I think you're pretty much to the top of the meter, the top of the scale here, so I would say you're pretty much lighting them all up.
That works. Good job there, 10-4.
You got the hammer down, Iceman. You got the hammer down.
Well, 612, man, you don't sound like you're over there in Canada. You sound like you're down here in Missouri where I'm at.
Oh, you sound the same way. Save those flowers for yourself, buddy.
Are you sure you just pulled my leg and telling me you're in Canada and you're really in Missouri?
I think you're on our island. You've been fooling me.
Well, you're doing good. You're doing good. I'm doing a good job for you. You're doing a good job.
Anyway there, Iceman, you're sounding loud and proud as usual. You got the maul down, and it's always good to hear you. And I got the video gate going, and I got you made this gate, and I'll upload this one later on so you can see how good you're coming in.
All right,
Take care there, Iceman. 73s, cheers and beers.
Take care out there and take care of that 2950. 72 in Alabama is back out of the way.